Hey guys, do you remember this really cute basket that we did the watermelon hanger summer theme in? Well, I mentioned in that video, if you didn't watch that video, you'll definitely want to go watch it. But what I did say in that is that I would try to show you the different ways that you could decorate this throughout the seasons. So, based on this bow that I already have attached to it, that kind of gives you an idea that we are going to work on a patriotic door hanger. And I've already got the bow on it, and we're going to use a little bit of a surprise color, which you may already notice in the bow. So let's get to it. Okay, so to get started, I just took everything out that we used before, and I'm starting with the same foam and Spanish moss that we had on it before. So nothing has changed there. The only thing that I've done is I've created a bow and I attached it. I'll show you. I just attached it right through there. And so that's what we're going to start with. So we've got our bow on here, and then almost everything that I'm going to use I got from either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And as you can see, like from this pick, I'm using stuff that I have, which I just encourage you to do as well. Look around and see what you already have that you could use. And even though I use this for something else, we're just going to use what we have left of this and put it right in the back. There we go. Okay, do you remember these that we just used in, actually I had two more. So I have the centerpiece that we just made on the last video. These coordinate with them. So let's put those out right here. Next we have these blue roses that we're going to add in. I'm just going to do these in kind of a triangle. And next we have some red flowers that we're going to add onto it. These are from a bush, just cut them off 4 pieces. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to talk to you about things, and then we're going to get on to finishing our patriotic door hanger. If you are interested in learning design and learning specifically centerpieces, I wanted to let you know that I have started a teaching group, and it's only $8 a month. Now this is the first design that we're doing, and you can see it's pretty big. The design is already in there, so as soon as you join, you get to learn how to do this right away. And we're also going to talk about how to use color and how to use the things that you already have. So go ahead and click the button and join, and I'll see you on the inside. I wanted to show you a couple of things that I have for sale in my shop on my website. I know it's only June, but I'm already selling fall centerpieces. I'm already starting to ship them. So I want to show you just a couple that I have available. Now this one is absolutely beautiful. It's long, it's perfect for like a rectangular table or island, any place that you have like a long area and that you just want a very full, big, beautiful centerpiece. So this one is available in my shop, and I'll link it in my description. I also wanted to show you this really beautiful white pumpkin centerpiece. I love working with white pumpkins. They're so timeless. They just go with anything. Now this particular one I put in a chunky wooden, it's like a bleached wood container, and it's filled with greenery and really pretty flowers. So this would be beautiful, especially if you have like a round table, end table, in a vignette, on your countertop. Very, very pretty and versatile. So I will link this in my shop. Okay, so the last one I wanted to show you before we get back to making our Patriotic door hanger is this beautiful floral arrangement. Timeless, got hydrangeas in it, ranunculus I believe it is, greenery, all in this really pretty wood rectangular container. So again, this would be great on a table, island, desk, pretty much anywhere. So pretty in the blues and yellows and the whites. And I'll link that in the description box below. And let's get back to finishing up this door hanger. The next thing we're going to use is we're going to add silver into this. So I thought this is a fun, unique twist on the red, white, and blue, and definitely just adds a little pizzazz to it. Now I saw these in my shop, and this is just one pick, and so I just cut it apart, and let's add it in. And as you can see, it goes well with our ribbon. Looking very pretty. Now Spanish moss definitely makes a mess. Now I've got two more picks here. These came from Hobby Lobby, and as you can see, one of them's missing. Not sure what happened to it, but we're still going to use these anyways. So let's add these in. And next we're going to bring in a little bit of white. These are really kind of cream, but that's okay. That goes with it anyways. So let's add those in. Okay, next is I just have kind of a whimsical effect. These are just some, I don't know what you call them, wildflowers or something. This is probably 3 or 4 bundles. I'm sure these came from Hobby Lobby. And I just pulled them apart, and we're going to add them in. Just going to add them throughout. And then I just had some that came apart. And we'll just add those in. Sorry if my head is in the way. I just have to be able to see. Okay, there we have it. Clean up my mess. Very pretty, super easy to put together. Just think about the things that you currently have and what you might be able to put together. I would encourage you to, get a really nice base if you want to keep changing something throughout the seasons. This particular one is no longer available on Amazon, but I will put one down in the description box that's very similar to it. And I hope that you give this a try. So if you would please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.